Soy milk is plant-based milk that can be used by individuals who are lactose intolerant or who choose not to consume animal products. Soy milk is a good choice as it has a similar protein content to cow's milk and less fat. Most soy milk is fortified with calcium and vitamin D, important for bone health. Soy milk protein is nutritious, plant-based, and can aid in the maintenance of healthy muscles and organs. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in soy milk, are good fats that your body cannot produce on its own. Omega-3 fatty acids have been related to a lower risk of Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Soy milk is a reliable low-calorie source of plant-based protein. If fortified, it is also a good source of calcium and vitamin B12. Unless someone is allergic, the less processed soy foods like soy milk, tofu, miso, tempeh, natto, and tamari soy sauce are all healthy choices in a balanced diet. Excess consumption of soy can affect thyroid function, but only if you already have a thyroid disorder and are taking thyroid replacement medication or if you're not getting enough iodine in your diet. To be safe, take thyroid medications about 4 hours apart from soy foods and have your thyroid levels checked regularly.